Welcome to America Makes. As a Department of Defense Manufacturing Innovation Institute and member of the Manufacturing USA Network, we are the nation's leading public-private partnership for additive manufacturing technology and education. How did we get here? We stand on the shoulders of innovators, avant-garde men and women who over the decades have not only thought outside the box, but have redefined how the box is built. Brave entrepreneurs, scientists, and engineers have pioneered advances in industry that have taken the world from steam power to digitalization of manufacturing and beyond. The Industrial Revolution is one of the most significant events in all of world history. It had a profound impact on the modern world. Before the innovations of this time, most production depended on water, wind, or human energy. It was after significant innovations like the power loom, steamboat, and the first steam-powered locomotive engine on rails that society began the move from a mindset of muscle work to that of the knowledge age. Industry 1.0, the first industrial revolution, was when industry culture, for the first time in history, focused on quality, efficiency, and scale. Over the next 3 decades, the introduction of electricity and the assembly line, coupled with the successes of Industry 1.0, brought the world into the second industrial revolution. And it was here that the transition from hand to machine production allowed for further increase in manufacturing productivity. During the second industrial revolution, Youngstown flourished as an important industrial hub. It was a central part of the formation of the steel belt. Youngstown was home to the massive furnaces and foundries of local steel manufacturers who were responsible for the rapid expansion and transformation of Northeast Ohio. Our city was at the forefront of ushering in the true age of the melting pot of America and experienced tremendous growth and prosperity during this time. When Apple introduced the first Macintosh computer in the 80s, industry and the world changed significantly yet again. Pioneers in automation, computing, and electronics emerged, bringing new digital experiences to the worlds of business, communications, art, music, entertainment, and more. Today, we find ourselves in the midst of the next industrial revolution, Industry 4.0. The convergence of a number of factors moved technology forward. High capacity, high-speed computing, connected networks for exchange of large files, advanced software for solid modeling, material advancements, and all of which became less expensive and therefore more accessible. We live in a new environment of highly customizable and complex products that can be mass-produced amid automated systems that assist humans in making decisions informed by globally transferable knowledge. Consider, manufacturing has existed for over 2,000 years, during which 7 main types of traditional manufacturing have been perfected. Now, we have more advanced technologies, like additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing. Proving the catalytic qualities of additive manufacturing, in its 30-plus years since development, several new manufacturing types have been developed, something that took traditional manufacturing 2,000 years to accomplish. Additive manufacturing is revolutionary. It has made manufacturing accessible, putting production capabilities and incredibly powerful, solid modeling software into the hands of startup businesses, entrepreneurs, students, tinkerers, nearly anyone with an interest. This access is reshaping the concept of limits and is changing the way we think about what's possible. America Makes is the catalyst for this technology. Centered in the country's emerging tech belt, poised for success with expertise and determination, the America Makes team is committed to advancing U.S. manufacturing competitiveness and security. The growth of additive manufacturing will have a lasting impact on our city, state, nation, and world. Welcome to America Makes.